Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Bee Venom Skin Treatment. Now if you don't know what this is, it is basically a treatment for bee stings. And as you can see, it is also a professional bee venom skincare moisturizing gel for all skin types. So before we get into the details of this product, a lot of you have been messaging me and I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily. And my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's read the review. So as you can see about this item, Bee Venom Cream, it is specifically designed to lift, tighten, and rejuvenate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's an all-in-one cream, professional skin cream, venom comprehensive cream that's repetitive, and how to use. So actually, there's not a lot of information about this product, and it is only one rating here on Amazon. And it's only 2 stars. So before you buy this product, I would advise you to do some more research about it, since there isn't a lot of information about this website and this product. So I advise you to buy other creams and not this one, since this is relatively new and not very famous yet. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.